Hi guys, look, today we finally got two goslings.
Mama Nina had her baby.
Mama Nina had two.
Brought them over to us.
Yeah. Mama Nina, we missed you. Look at that. Look, she's introducing them to corn.
And to us.
And to us.
Mama Nina, what a good job.
Look at them babies. Oh my God.
Oh,
And look over here
They were definitely
is Mama Duck's baby. She still has 11. They're getting so big. Yeah. Okay, see you guys.
Mama Nina and the babies. Oh my God, they're so tiny, guys. Look at them. Mama Nina. Mama Nina. Here's Mama Nina with the babies. Hi, Mama Nina. I see that Nina seen her two little siblings today.
Yeah.
She wasn't very happy.
Oh my God, you should be taking video.
I am. Hi, Mama Nina.
Mama Nina.
Look at them little babies.
Look at them babies, Mama Nina.
Mama Nina ate out of my hand today. She came running over.
Ren and Stimpy.
Oh. Was that them?
Yeah.
That Ren and
Mama.
Stimpy? Hi, Mama Nina.
Hi, Daddy.
Don't let everyone else get those babies. Oh my God. How cute.
Yeah, she let you eat out of your ass. She didn't let me.
No. Eat out of my ass?
No, eat out of your hand.
Oh, there you are. Hi, Blue. Did you come to see me? And then I was over here because there's this carp that keeps... Oh! And I just got him on video. Thank you.